Have you ever wondered how IKEA, the world's largest furniture retailer, makes so much money while selling affordable furniture? It's an intriguing question that we'll explore in this video. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind IKEA's business model and the powerful lessons we can learn from their success. Early life of Ingvar Kamprad. Our story begins in 1943 with a 17-year-old boy named Ingvar Kamprad. From a young age, Ingvar displayed an entrepreneurial spirit, selling matches on the street at 7 and pens and wallets at 12. His hard work and hustle paid off when he opened his first business at 17, a furniture company that would eventually spread worldwide, from Japan to Singapore, Germany to Australia, and even India. IKEA, the undisputed king of furniture. Little did Ingvar know that his small business would one day become the $60 billion empire we know as IKEA, the undisputed king of furniture. But here's the surprising twist. IKEA doesn't actually make any furniture or pay taxes. Despite this, no other furniture company has been able to beat IKEA in the market. How is this possible? IKEA's business model demystified, not a furniture company, but a marketing powerhouse. Contrary to popular belief, IKEA is not a furniture company, it's a marketing company with an excellent logistics network. IKEA's journey began by selling pens and wallets, not furniture. After World War II, when Sweden was rebuilding homes, IKEA saw an opportunity to enter the furniture market by leveraging its expertise in pricing and cost control, sourcing, and catalogs. The early days. In the beginning, IKEA didn't manufacture furniture. Instead, it printed catalogs and delivered them to people's homes. Customers would place orders, which were then produced by small Swedish manufacturers and delivered by IKEA. This model allowed IKEA to control costs and pricing effectively, mastering logistics and distribution. Today, IKEA's success lies in its mastery of logistics and distribution. The company has over 35 distribution centers worldwide, strategically located to capture different markets. For instance, the Beijing-Shanghai Distribution Center gives IKEA access to low labor costs, cheap real estate, and port availability, facilitating easy distribution across Asia. Cost advantages: Opti-Ledge packaging and location mapping. Two key factors contribute to IKEA's cost advantage: Opti-Ledge packaging and location mapping. Opti-Ledge racks, made of recyclable polypropylene, increased IKEA's storage capacity by 44%, allowing them to transport more goods in a single truck. Additionally, IKEA stores are located on the outskirts, providing access to large, inexpensive land and encouraging customers to spend more time and money in the stores. Data analytics and machine learning. IKEA's success is also driven by its use of data analytics and machine learning. Every piece of data, from customer behavior to design trends, is recorded and analyzed to optimize location mapping, cubic optimization, and store layouts. This data-driven approach gives IKEA a competitive edge in understanding and catering to customer preferences. The IKEA store experience. Maze-like store design. IKEA's store design is intentionally maze-like, ensuring customers spend more time and end up buying more. The exit is located on the second floor, forcing visitors to navigate through the entire store. The cinnamon bun counter. A psychological trick. At the end of the IKEA store, you'll find the cinnamon bun counter. This strategic placement isn't just for increasing sales, it's a psychological trick. The aroma of freshly baked buns helps reduce the subconscious stress customers may feel after overspending, leaving them with a positive, memorable experience. Interactive showrooms. IKEA's stores also feature interactive showrooms where customers can experience the furniture firsthand. This hands-on approach not only helps customers visualize how the furniture would look in their homes, but also creates an emotional connection with the products, further driving sales. IKEA's tax-breaking system. Despite its massive success, IKEA pays minimal taxes through a complex legal structure involving non-profit organizations and private companies, likely owned by the Kamprad family. While the details are intricate, the result is that a significant portion of IKEA's profits is funneled to the Kamprad family without being taxed. IKEA's success teaches us powerful business lessons. First, emotionally attaching customers to products through DIY experiences and interactive showrooms fosters loyalty. Second, cost advantages stem from multiple factors, not just bulk buying. Third, understanding consumer psychology and leveraging data analytics is key to driving sales. Finally, strategic tax planning can significantly impact a company's bottom line. By implementing these lessons, businesses can thrive, just like IKEA. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content.